And I'm
Josh&Sarah.
And today we are going to be unboxing this OVE Waterfall. The OVE Waterfall.
OVE.
Yeah. And this is a string light. We're probably going to be using it somewhere like tomorrow for Babasa. And as you can see right here on the box. Oh, we have pictures right here. You can use it for your room.
That's so
Yes.
cool. I want.
In fact, Sarah actually said that she wanted something like sort of like in her room.
I do, but one of them,
And the good thing about this is it is very energy efficient. It only takes about the same amount of electricity as a light bulb, about 8 watts. And it has a remote control. The remote, you can see the controls on the remote on the side. And it also has a timer and 8 different modes. So let's go ahead and open it. So we have the scissors right here.
So I think after when we did it tomorrow, like be purple, right? No, white, not white. But that was the outer buffer when we did it. White? Oh, okay. It will be white, I think.
And this is a lot of lights. Yes, this is a lot of lights. So it also says right here, refer to installation manual for easier installation. So let's take it out. Oh, got the remote. And we have it open. So instruction manual. And okay, so here's what we have in. Oh, let's go ahead and take this out first.
So actually, if some kids like is scared of the dark and they don't have a light like that, then they could just turn it on and poof, all the light.
Okay, this is a lot of lights, but you have a plug right here so that we can go ahead and try it out.
Yay!
So
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. 3.
wait.
Okay, tell me when.
And here are the lights.
So
As you
that's
can
the
see,
1,
okay, that is
2.
this is 3. Well, that might be 3 right there, but okay, this is mode number 3. Mode number 4. Mode number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. And we have the brightness levels. We also have the timer mode right here, and we're going to refer to the instruction manual so that we can see what time each of the timers are going to set the lights to. But it looks like a really nice product, and I feel like it's still going to look really nice when we actually hang it on the ceiling.
That ceiling?
Well, maybe not this ceiling, but on the ceiling at Waterfall's house. So let's go ahead. So we're gonna see how it looks.
Maybe next to Papa Jesus.
Yes, guys, this is a lot of lights for only 8 watts, and this is 10 feet down, 10 feet across. So it's going to cover a lot of area. And I think it's gonna look nice when we actually hang it up. And guys, if you have something sort of like this, please put that in the comments down below. This is available at Costco. We got it for around $15 on sale. We don't know if it's still on sale, but we got it for a really good price. And Sarah also said that she wanted one of these in her room, so we're gonna try and install one. And guys, if you have something sort of like this, please put it in the comments.
Down below.
And if you like this video, please click the like, subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!